Hello guys, good morning. Ayan si Dongdong guys, sleepy siya. Sleep ata sila lahat. Si Mama Aya. Ayan dito si Inday, si Duday. Nandyan din si Chacha. Nagising siya. Gusto na sila kumain, 2 beses na ito kumain guys. Ayan, inaantay namin ang kanilang papa kasi uuwi for lunch pero babalik din sa work. Dito si kuya kasi walang pasok. And then nanonood kami ng brain damage vlog. Ang gwapo naman ito oy. Gwapo naman itong Dongdong namin.
Ngayon, yung mga pwedeng bisitahin ay pasukan.
Hello guys. Ito ang aming hapon. Ayan. Ang isa dito. Ayan nga aming ate Chacha. Kasi may electric pa. Ayo guys, kumusta kayo? So, ayan, ang papa nag-sleep. So, ayan, wala mo na siya. Wala mo na ganap na siya. Mag-vlog pa rin tayo kasi may ano pa rin video ngayong araw kasi matagal na rin yung nag-upload. Ilang araw na rin. Week na ba? Hindi ko alam. Update nila. Alam nyo ba guys, ang dami nilang kagat ng ano ba? Buto nila kasi nga yung nabili ko yung next guard is 3 lang, diba? Yung hati-hati ko yun para ma-advance lang nila. Pero feeling ko hindi talaga pwede. Kailangan talaga sa isang tablet is isang papi lang. So, hindi ko malab sa kanila yung gamot. Next guard Spectra yun 3 kilos to 7 kilos yung nabili ko. So, ayun, sayang yun. Dapat pinainom ko na lang ito sa mga maliliit para ayun, walang visa. Sayang. Tapos kawawa ko mga ang dami naman puto. So, lesson learned. Kasi nakita ko naman sa video na hindi pwedeng hatiin, kailangan isa lang talaga sa isang ayan, kinulang kami tapos kulang na rin sa pera kaya hati-hati ayun wala bisa tabak ko na namin lahat. Mag-diet na tayo guys. Huwag na ngayon makabukas. See you later guys. Sleep pa rin guys. Ay, kamata. Kailangan sila tulog eh. Ang electric fan, kasugayo. Mga kagat ko dito guys. Marami yan. Kagat ng mga ano nila. Mga pulgas. May bata dyan. Atay, tulog pa rin. Hello my love. Hello my love. love. Mama. Ate Chacha. Lunglong. Wapon lunglong. Ayan, marami talaga guys. Oh. As you see guys. Kawawa talaga sila guys. Ano ba yung gagawin ko dito sa kanila? Oh. Kasi natatakot ako dun sa drop lang dito sa bato. Kasi kung madilaan ng isa sa kanila, diba? Natakot. Nanood akong Inday Garnet. So guys, magsasaing muna ako kasi alas ano na. Alas na ba? 4 na. For dinner yung isasaing ko. Hello guys!
Big shoutout nga pala sa bagong pinaanak. Thank you so much. Okay, Beans Cathy. Congrats to my cousin Gilbert and Melody. And sa mga lolas.
Gabi ang ano ni Duday.
See you there.
Tulog.
Pagbabalik ko sa Manila ay sa December na. So,
malamig kasi ngayon. Muulan kami.
Again, wala na Christmas party. At the same time.
Good morning guys. Hindi natin natapos yung video upon kasi ano. Amen. Na-busy tayo. At nagpahinga lang talaga kami. Ito sila tulog ng tulog. As you see, diba last video is nakahiga lang sila. Hala. Parang tinamad na kahapon. Hindi nga kami nagpalengke. Kaya ito, maaga tayo nagising at naglinis-linis. Pero hindi pa ako tapos guys. Medyo masama lang pakiramdam ko. Naog day. Si Duday, Inday, si Mama Aya, Chacha and Dongdong. Hingi ng patawad.
Manalangin kay mga
ang aga nito nagising guys, mga alas 3 gising na to sila.
Diyos sa mga makapangyarihan.
Tanggapin nawa ng Panginoon.
Hello guys!
No.
Get gentle constipation
Dito kami, nag-aantay sa kanilang father. Hali daw. Kasi Dongdong. Si Chacha. Si Aya.
Mr. Shiny is counted
Ano yung
down.
dalawa?
Another letter is just pages of coordinates and star charts. So, police
Inday
are
tsaka si
stronger
Duday.
confirmed Sykes is tracking a planetary alignment
Kuya.
that only occurs once every 800 years. It's happening soon.
Antay kami
When it is
sa oras
close, they find the
kung
word Caliban
anong
scrawled
oras
on margins
dadating.
over and over. Nobody
Kasi
knows
naubusan
what it means.
sila
It's not
ng
in any database and not in any occult
pagkain.
literature that they can find. It seems to be something Sykes made up or learned from somewhere very specific. So detectives dig into his background, trying to understand what turned him into this. And they find out during those 20 years when everyone thought the murders had just stopped, that Sykes actually left the country entirely and lived in Jerusalem for a while. He traveled through Syria, Lebanon, parts of Turkey, and Greece, all while visiting ancient archaeological sites. During this whole trip, he was studying occult practices and
Arte man.
rituals. And he became
Arte niya.
obsessed with
Ang so
pre-Christian
arty.
religions and blood sacrifice, and he kept journals about it, filled with
Yan,
multiple pages
pinongdong.
of his research.
Ay, sure.
But back to present day, the murders keep getting worse and more frequent. He's accelerating towards something. A teenage
Ay,
girl
yan
named
naman,
Victoria
ayun.
McEnroe is on webcam one night filming a
Pinakutuhan
YouTube video.
sila.
Then Sykes just appears in frame behind her and then shoots her right there on camera. But before he leaves, he uses her lipstick to draw
Grabe na
his
silang
drawings
photo
on
talaga,
the
guys.
wall. The footage then gets leaked online, and suddenly this case is everywhere.
Ang dami nating
It's
kagat
national
ng
news.
kanilang pulgas.
Forums, and everyone is talking about Mr. Shiny.
Ay.
Despite getting shot in the skull, Victoria survives the shooting and gets rushed to the hospital. There are police station guards at
At
every
marami
entrance,
pa sa
and cops
aking
outside
legs.
the room. The whole floor is basically on lockdown because they know Sykes might try again, and he does. Walks right past security checkpoints and makes it all the way to Victoria's floor. Then he gets into her room while the guard outside steps away for literally 2 minutes and injects drain cleaner into the very specific blood bag that she was the only person in the hospital that would use. She then dies before anyone realizes he was there. By the time they figured out what happened, Sykes is gone. He killed the one person who could have identified him clearly in court, and he did it in a building full of armed cops. He just strolled in and strolled out. After that, he murders an overnight
Ang
worker
lala
at a
na lang
donut shop
photo ni
and cuts the
Aya,
guy's heart
guys.
out and takes it with him. A security guard named Sarah Malik happens to be nearby doing his rounds and hears something, so he runs towards the donut shop and actually sees Sykes running from the scene carrying something wrapped in cloth. Malik almost catches him, but gets close enough to grab Sykes' jacket. But Sykes turns and overpowers him and pins him down and whispers something Malik never repeats to anyone and lets him go and vanishes into the dark. They then find Malik's body 4 days later.
Kawawa naman baby ni Mama.
Playground. He's been blood eagle, which is that Viking torture ritual where they grab your ribs open from your back and spread them like wings. It takes hours to do this torture method correctly, so Sykes spent hours on this while Malik was still alive and displayed him where kids would find him in the morning. Later, police then finally locate a storage unit Sykes had been renting under another fake name. They then bolt cut the lock and open it up. Inside there are jars with human organs floating in preservation liquid, the liver, the heart, sections of intestine, other parts from different victims, all labeled with dates going back to the 90s. He's been keeping trophies this whole time. There are also stacks of occult books covering every single surface, books in languages most of the cops don't recognize. And Star Trek's packed walls, sitting in the middle of everything is a statue 2 feet tall that looks like a leech with a vaguely human face, mouth open,